YouTube, and yep, I got the fgteev box. It has a mini figure, big figure, a squishy figure, flashlight, and stickers, hanger, plush with sound. It is a set from fgteev. fgteev, if you're watching this, I am a big fan. So, don't judge me if I'm your biggest fan. Other people, I am fgteev's biggest fan. I watch all their videos, and let me show you what's inside. We have every character. This is Gurky. This is Postal Jenkins. He looks like a guy that would work in a hotel. I saw the Party in the Elevator song, so I think he's from this. Comment down below if you know who this is and where he's from, 'cause I haven't seen this character, but he looks like an hotel person, so I think he's from Party in the Elevator. So, next item, we got Megsy. Sorry if I read it wrong, but I don't know what it says. And this is Chase's icon. It's a flashlight. Sorry if this is blinding you. But it's a flashlight, see? And now we have our Duddy. He's a squishy. This is Duddy. Ooh, yes, I was so hyped for this. Anyways, this is what it looks like. The set. Oh, and there's also stickers. I think Lexi. But you could also get different things. See? There's get it out of 7 possible. The big figure, the flashlight, the stickers, hanger, plush, and I know it says 3 and up, but hey, I like fgteev, so I could be who I want to be, you know? So, that will complete it for my video. I have to go eat dinner, and I will see you guys later. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time. So I hope you hit that subscribe button, the bell, and that thumbs up to turn on notifications. Bye.